Okay, so my name's Piyal Samara-Ratna. I'm the METEOR Principal Engineer at Space Park Leicester, basically responsible for the technical delivery of new space technologies. I'm part responsible for running an engineering team. So we run a whole broad range of projects which are all sort of focused on developing new space technologies that really revolutionize both the Earth and missions to explore the universe. So I've been very lucky to be involved on the James Webb Space Telescope. So the James Webb Space Telescope is the successor to Hubble. It is widely regarded as the most powerful and most complex space observatory ever devised. Well, the Hubble has come to the end of its life. It's done an amazing job for us, and but also the Hubble is partially its performance is reduced by the fact that it's so close to Earth. So it's like having slightly dirty glasses, being so close to the Earth's atmosphere. So what we want to do is to put a spacecraft, an observatory, somewhere deep into space where we can see the universe in real clarity. And so the James Webb Space Telescope does that, and it utilizes the latest technologies so we can really sort of elevate our understanding of the universe. There are so many things we don't understand about the universe. And the other thing that's particular about James Webb, it looks at the universe in a slightly different way. Whereas Hubble looks at the visible, James Webb looks at it in the infrared, which means that it can cut through those dust clouds, it can see things which the Hubble Space Telescope just can't see. So at the University of Leicester, we are the lead mechanical engineers for the MIRI instrument. Certainly been really lucky to be one of 3 people who were essentially directly responsible for delivering MIRI to NASA. We took it from a clean room in Oxford, flew it over to NASA in the US, unpacked it, delivered that, and delivered, effectively £150 million one-off instrument that's taken well over a decade to build. That was a massive sense of achievement there that we all managed to do that. It's really a statement of what humans are capable of when they work together. When I was growing up, I was being taught about the Hubble Space Telescope, and it inspired me to take a career in space, find out about building something that leaves the planet and does these amazing things to find out about the universe and really pushes humanity forwards. With aerospace, and in particular space, we're really just hit at the tip of the iceberg in terms of the opportunities that will come out of this. And this means that space will be accessible in ways that we can't even imagine. Things will be made there, space will become more integral to our lives. People will be traveling there, setting up bases on the moon and other planets. And these are things which are being previously thought as like science fiction, but these will become reality within our lifetimes. So engineers are absolutely fundamental to that the amount of technology that's required and teamwork to build these systems. And so engineers are really at the foundation level for all these endeavors. So interesting, I guess the only thing that's sort of minorly interesting for me was that in terms of things that I was genuinely good at, like art and creative stuff was something that I was very good at. So engineering seemed like a really good thing. I can design, I can use my creativity to imagine things, create new products and solutions. So so I did my A-levels and went to university. I actually took 2 years out to do industrial placements because I want to get that real-world industry experience. I don't necessarily get on that well in the kind of academic lectures, exams kind of environment, but I do like the working environment. So I did as much of that as I could, and I was just very, very lucky that an opportunity to apply for a job here came up, and that was now 18 years ago. Yeah, so I think don't feel that you're limited. I think that's the main thing. You feel that there's opportunities there, and if you want them, they're entirely accessible and feasible. You can find out things. You can learn about things in a way that doesn't mean that you have to go to university, doesn't mean that you have to invest in very expensive space hardware. You can get involved in things and build those skill sets up, and there's a variety of routes that can get you to that destination.